Yeah, bottom. Die. Bottom. How many garlic?
Like 5. Please.
Use this as a stirrer, Meeshell.
Okay. Oh, where's the other one?
Yeah, that's improvise.
Yeah.
You have a lot of assistants there. What are we making?
We're just making a little marinade for the tuna.
Tuna steak.
Tuna steaks. What's this?
Salt.
That's it?
There's a honey right here.
I know. Honey burns on the grill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sugar. I got plenty of that. Thank you. What's this?
Just pepper.
Ginger. Lots of ginger.
Okay.
Do you have a thing?
That's it.
Anything?
Smash it. Oh, grate it. Oh.
Well, we could improvise.
I can
Yeah,
do it.
there we go. Exactly.
Hello, I went to culinary school.
I know. I was just looking for different things to use. I don't know what I said.
Oh, here's like a pepper.
I know we have plenty pepper.
What about?
Do we have any citrus, like limes or anything? No.
Maybe vinegar?
No, we already used vinegar.
What about tomato?
No, I've got tomatoes. Here, I like more. I wanted something hard to smash.
There's not no
Yeah,
Velino.
that's kitchen talk.
Yeah, here, he's smashing now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Smash
Oh, I didn't even know it was you. Yeah, that's great.
Where are we? Oh, we're in Sandbar. Sandbar in
Sandbar
Manuyan.
in Bais.
This is actually
Bais.
Manuyan Sandbar, but it is in Bais. We're having a live cooking here with Meeshell and Chef Meeshell. Chef Meeshell and Swiss Chef Anton. Jeremy. Oh, no, Jeremy. I'm sorry, Jeremy. Santa Barbara and Oregon meet in Bais.
Oregon meets New York.
And Santa Monica meets Santa
Oh, you're
Barbara.
California?
Yeah.
I thought you were from New York.
No,
From Santa Barbara.
No, I'm from
Santa Monica. Malibu.
California.
She's born in Malibu.
I was born at
I'm
UCLA.
sorry, I thought you were East Coast bitch. I'm sorry.
My dad
she's a California bitch.
Oh, no,
No,
they're...
she's not a bitch. No way.
No, they're like...
Oops, I could be in the kitchen.
Yeah. A bitch in the kitchen.
Yeah. If you're dilly-daddling, I throw you out.
You're fired.
Yeah.
Bitch in
I
the
send you
valley.
home. And I just give you a couple dollars.
So you're the strict?
No. A little French.
Smile at the babes. Okay.
Thank you. I was just looking for like those.
Brad, wave your hand. Brad, wave your hand.
This is funny.
Messed up.
I didn't know I would have made a marinade like this morning.
It's okay. It's
I
okay.
thought you said there's a full kitchen. That's what you said, I did.
Yeah.
She did. With everything.
I didn't see full kitchen.
And they didn't say it was on a boat. We were going on a boat, but I thought we were going to the sandbar. It's a full like restaurant setup.
Do you bleach your teeth?
No.
Those are natural.
Yeah.
Do you have braces?
I have braces. From age 9 to 13 or 7. I think.
On a feta. On a feta. Fancy. Fancy.
Okay, then can I?
What are you videotaping?
I have to review it. Videotape the Playdini. The Playdini.
Okay. What are those for?
Pumpkin seed.
I know, but they're like so like
That's for kuyang-kuyang.
million long.
That's for appetizer.
At like Dodger Stadium.
Okay.
And
Beautiful day.
I will put a little honey. You can put a little bit. You don't have limes or lemons anywhere?
Kami kalamansi.
You do? I'm gonna stick my hands in the water somewhere.
Oh, no.
Oh, it smells good. It's a little peppery,
Bread.
right? Whoa, watch out! Thank
Pumpkin.
you.
Here with your hand.
If I just put them in something, then I can stick my hands in it.
Oh,
You know?
here.
I feel that way about penis. If I can just get my hands on it.
Oh yeah! Look at it. The size of my eye, that's smaller than my eyeball. A little smaller.
Okay, but stick your hand there.
Oh, thank my
That's a
hand.
Filipino. Yeah, ito di ka wash. Lime, lemon,
Not yet.
calamansi.
And then a fork.
A fork. We have
Might
a
as
fork
well.
here somewhere.
What's it called again?
Calamansi. Oh,
Calamansi.
yeah, mali inana.
Slime.
Yeah, I
It's,
know. Filipino thing.
it's in Thailand. It's in
Yeah,
China.
but it's not pure line.
Not coming.
And then we gonna have our fish washed. Fish.
No, well, maybe, yeah, from there.
Oh, basta na mo ang isda.
From that place.
Is that all the soy sauce?
That's it. It's not mine, it's theirs. That's good. Right? A little more. Yeah. No more lime? Limon? No? Okay. That's scary. Okay, that's good. And a little bit more.
Here, flash.
Yeah. We still need a little salt on the fish. Okay. It's okay, I'm wearing my
What about this
boyfriend.
fish? Do we need this? Oh, you want
Let
pineapple?
me smell it first.
You want pineapple in there? We have pineapple.
Okay.
Citrus, yeah. Pineapple
Yeah,
Pineapple
citrus.
citrus.
That's citrus.
Huh? Not if it's cooked. It's the tannins when it's raw. Okay, you touch it because it's raw. I can't touch it. It's raw. That's already. Ooh, get it in here. That's juice. Oh no! That's all we really need. It's so yummy.
Wow.
If
Yeah,
you
you're
grilled it,
pressing. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, just
we should
use it.
grill it and put it on the barbecue.
Yeah.
Oh, over that with like Cajun chicken. This is the best.
We don't
If you
have
do
chicken.
barbecue pineapple with Cajun chicken. Oh my gosh, it's
If you
so
put
good.
coriander on that,
Like,
it's really good.
grilled
A little
pineapple
vanilla,
with
little
ice cream.
coriander.
That's all you're gonna do.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay?
And then the tuna, I want to take the bloodline out because that's
Ay,
nasty.
don't. Alisa, dili na
You'll
ko
do
sa
it.
tuna
Thank
ba?
you. And the
No, go.
skin?
So this is the finished product.
No, there's skin around it too. The steaks.
Oh, I can.
Okay.
No, I won't eat the bloodline. You know the blood. You know what I'm talking
Ano sa kadyo? That's itong ganda
about. Are
mo
you sure
sa
I
isda.
can do it with you?
Okay.
Here, let me. So we
No,
can.
that's
Okay.
like first
Tagay,
grade.
Meeshell, have
fillet
him,
of fish.
tagay siya instruction. Okay, he's gonna
Okay.
clean it. Ipakuha ko na niya ng, what's
The-
the kwaon?
The bloodline.
Palit.
You know this? Off.
Kani mga inana, off na.
Yes.
Siya,
Off.
di na niya gamiton.
And then
ayun,
skin
gamiton
too.
siya.
And the skin and the bloodline, like here.
Ang panit o kanang itom, so pwede rin na inyo magamit.
Can you hold this while I wash my hands?
Mail